Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Q2 of the bi-weekly contest 165. What the minimum discards to balance inventory. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. This one is a very standard sliding window problem. Like you have a window of length W, I think it's W, and you just gotta keep track of whether for everything that you put in, whether you need to discard it immediately, right? And that's it. That said, I still got a wrong answer. Somehow took a long time because I just wasn't sure I was reading correctly because it felt in a weird way. Well, two things. One is that I'm just not as practiced as I was and my mind's not in it. Maybe I'm getting older, you know? But in any case, yeah, I was being a little bit sloppy. And then the second thing was that I thought this was a little bit too easy, so I was kind of like slowing it down to make sure that I understood it correctly. But I guess I understood it correctly, but still massive wrong answer in here. But yeah, the idea here and the thing that, yeah, okay, let's first go over the sliding window part, right? The sliding window, it is just pretty straightforward. You insert the number at index I, you remove the number at I minus W. That's sliding window. And inside each window, you keep track of the frequency of, you know, keep in mind that the frequency can only change in two ways, right? One is the number you just added, and then the number that you just subtracted. Okay, so that means that in order for it to go over M, it is the number that you just added because everything else it would stay the same, which is actually, you know, which is an invariant, right? Meaning that if you do everything right, none of the other numbers would be greater than M because if it did previously, it would have been here. The thing that I got a wrong answer on and actually took a couple of minutes to debug as well was just me being dumb and just missed an edge case. Honestly, it didn't even occur to me. I think I was rushing a little bit, to be frank, a little bit on the meta side. But yeah, the key thing is, as you maybe could see from the code, is that I did add this remove thing and removed here, right? And what all that means is that I was removing things twice. Here, discarding things twice, right? Here, I discarded when initially I didn't have this line, I discarded, I added the count, but then here I discarded it again, meaning that for a number I double discounted, so then it messed up with some of the counting and calculations. But as soon as I was putting some debug and realized that, I was like, oh, you can remove twice, so we already removed this at index I, then in the future we don't remove it again. Pretty straightforward, but still, you know, a silly mistake, right? So yeah, it is what it is. But that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. This is linear time, right? Linear space, linear from here, and this is linear, and this is linear in the worst case. So yeah, that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, you can watch me do silly things during the contest now. Speaks to my skill level nowadays that I still worry about getting wrong answers on Yeezy. I never used to, but I guess I'm just out of practice. Alright, let's go. Q2. W and M. Arrival sub I. Type of... one index days. Okay. Each arrival may be kept with discard an item with... Okay, well, each day consider windows. Okay, some... I minus that, so some previous day. Okay, yeah, W is okay. Man, this is a very confusingly read problem. I mean, I don't find not that bad. All right, let's take a look at the example. It's W again. It's the lookup, the sliding window. Because we have these 4 and M is 2, so this is good. Is it just simulation or 10 to the 5th? I think my question is whether it's simulation or you have to actually make a choice. I have to reread it a little bit. How am I not typing it? Like, can you remove? I guess in the sliding window, in this case, it's greedy for that, and so it doesn't actually matter. maybe I'm just, the decision doesn't matter. No. Well, the decision could matter, but it'll be greedy. You always want to discard the latest one so that it times out earlier. Okay. Okay. It seems weird. Oh, apparently my brightness was down. That's why I'm having issues. But okay. If I minus the, if W is 4, 1, 4, so this is 3, so that's, yeah, so okay, so this one goes out, okay. F of I guess that's not actually necessary, is it? Okay, in any case. I think I'm just too natural doing it. Okay, f of x squared, and you go to right? I think that's it. I mean, I don't think there's any choice. Could be wrong. 0, 1. Alright, let's go. Hopefully no silly mistakes. Oh no, silly mistakes probably. Maybe. I mean, we did it fast enough that it probably is okay. Maybe I misunderstood it though. The minimum number part is kind of crazy. Okay, so what am I getting wrong? I put 11 as 13. 13 minimum, so I'm under the minimum, which means that I'm just really wrong. Am I off by 1? I don't get it. How can this be wrong? So we discard this one. We do decrement. Am I decrementing incorrectly? Why would it be 13? Let's see. So that's 11, okay. Remove this one. Oh! No, this isn't. Is it the last 13 objects or the 13 days? Maybe I misunderstood. No, it's day. So if they discard, then we do remove it. Then how can this be wrong? Am I misunderstanding the problem? Oh. Yeah. Why is it sometimes on this side, sometimes on that side? Okay. Expected 13. Move 1, 2, yeah, 9, 7, 3, 9, 7. I don't get how it could be that we're Am I just confused? I mean, maybe I am. And moving 1, yeah. Oh. Oh, because we already removed this. Okay, I am wrong. Okay, that is just actually a silly mistake, but it's a good thing that we printed out. Okay, so this is already deleted. I'll just do it. Man, that is actually pretty bad. So that's always going to be this one. So we moved add I, right? So and I not and removed. Okay, that's still not right though, right? 13. we had removed. If this is, oh, it's I minus W not removed. Okay, whoops. Okay, yep. Actually, that's a pretty bad mistake. I think I'm just rushing a little bit, to be honest. I need to slow down a little bit and think about the cases because I didn't even catch that until I debugged it. I just didn't. I'm rushing it. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.